everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, asazi noma sothi kuyaklinwa yini ebukhosini bawaZulu, noma siyothi uqalwa phansi, noma sothi kuyalungiswa, like we don't know. Kuxoshwe ke abe Ngonyama Trust, kwaxoshwa uNdunankulu, sathi xoshwa uNdunankulu, sathi uyadivorce unkosikazi lo oqala ke uNdlovukazi ukaMayisela. So manje sekuqhamuke ezinye indaba ke futhi ke ezintsha sha, kuthiwa ke impela cha, isilo ke inkosi yami uMsizulu kaZwelithini sesixoshe uSimphiwe Zulu wakwaMnyamanzi kuwona wonke ke ama-assignment akhe laphana ke ebukhosini bakwaZulu noma ke eNdlunkulu yakwaZulu ngokuphazima kwehlo. Bathi ke uPrince is one of the king's most loyal servant and supporter from the day he took the throne ngo-2021. So ke bakithi kusho ukuthi cha sekuveke kwangena ihlava ke kwanongazwani ke phakathi ke kwabo. Bathi the king is accusing uSimphiwe, uPrince Simphiwe Zulu, ngokuneglect ama-duties akhe as umkhulumeli noma ke usomlomo. Bathi ke uziba ke ama-media queries resulting kuma-articles are-published without the other side being heard, because yena ke uSimphiwe ke noma ke akathathi kahle noma akathathi umsebenzi wakhe ke serious. So ke isiloko sikhala ngokuthi lokhu kuzodestroya ke the Zulu nation kanye ke nesihlalo sobukhosi bakwaZulu. But ke he's also accused him of withholding several crucial pieces of information from Ngonyama Trust Board and other entities where he was representing him. Kusho ukuthi phela uyamsabotage impela, kusho ukuthi nje indlela ekuvela ngayo kuvela nje ukuthi umuntu ke ofuna ukumdicilela phansi, ofuna ukudicilela ke isilo ke phansi. Yeah guys, ayi kunzima ngampela ke bakithi, kunzima ngampela ke. Hey, ama-comment laphana ke kwi-post ke kaSihle Mavuso kuyena ke oreportile ngale story, weseshira ke incwadi ukuyona ibhalwe yisilo uMsizulu, ebhalela ke uSimphiwe eqala nje ngokuthi to Simphiwe Zulu of kwaMnyamanzi Royal Palace is subject termination of official duties. Kusho ukuthi ke uyitoho liphelile, umsebenzi uphelile, angeke asakwazi ke ukukhulumela ke isilo. Sibese sichaza izathu zaso ukuthi kungani ke sibona ukuthi cha kufanele athi ukuthatha ke i-back seat. So ama-comment ke la abantu babhizi bathi hayi baxoshe bonke wena wena ongangezwe lakhe bakithi, baxoshe bonke kungasali noyedwa. Hayi kunzima ngampela. Babuza abanye what is happening in the Zulu king's mind by all the decision the king takes. Asazi ukuthi kwenzekalani, ngiyazi ukuthi abanye bahlezi becomplain ukuthi ke why ke singene ey'ndabeni ke zasebukhosini kanye zendlunkulu. Mazi ku-social media bakithi kusuke sekuyi-public interest. Uma incwadi kade iya kumntwana uSimphiwe Zulu igcine sifika ku-Facebook, it's public interest, people will be interested to know what is happening, you know. So yeah guys, man, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.